In this video, I will analyze 5 pizza stocks. Watch this video till the end. You will find out which of these 5 stocks are undervalued. Hello, my name is David Dance. Welcome back to my channel. Pizza is a big business. According to a study, 83% of consumers eat pizza at least once a month. So without further delay, let's get started. The first stock on my list is Domino's Pizza with the ticker symbol DPZ. As of January 2022, the company operated approximately 18,000 stores in 90 countries. This is the largest pizza company in the world. The stock price was $359.62 as of market close February 3rd, 2023, and the 52-week price range was from $299 to about $460. The market cap is about $12.7 billion. Earnings per share for the last 12 months is $12.39. The dividend yield was about 1.22%. The total return for the last 10 and 15 years clearly exceeded the industry average and the index. For the last 3 years, the revenue and the net income have been trending up. On the technical side, if we look at 5-year weekly chart, the major support is at around $300 to $325. Based on my research, the stock is about 10% undervalued. The second stock on my list is Papa John's International with the ticker symbol PZZA. As of September 2022, it operated 5,589 restaurants in 47 countries. As of February 3rd, 2023, the stock price was $93.18. And the 52-week price range was from $82 to $127. The market cap is about $3.3 billion. Earnings per share for the last 12 months is $1.89. The dividend yield is 1.8%. The total return for the last 10 and 15 years were similar to the industry average and slightly over the index. The revenue and the net income for the last few years clearly trending up. The net income dropped a bit in 2021. On the technical side, if we look at 5-year weekly chart, the major support is around $70. Based on my research, the stock is slightly overvalued. The third stock on my list is Yum Brands Inc. with the ticker symbol YUM. It operates through 4 segments: the KFC division, the Taco Bell division, the Pizza Hut division, and the Habit Burger Grill division. They operate in 157 countries. As of December 31st, 2021, the company has 18,381 Pizza Hut units. I have to be a bit careful when analyzing this stock as the financial numbers include the Pizza Hut division as well as the 3 other divisions. As of February 3rd, 2023, the stock price was $127.01. The 52-week price range was $120 to $168. The market cap is $35.8 billion and the earnings per share for the trailing 12 months is $4.39. The dividend yield is 1.77%. The total return for the last 10 and 15 years were below the industry average. The revenue and the net income for the last few years are trending up, with a drop in the net income for the year 2020. On the technical side, if you look at 5-year weekly chart, the major support is around $105 to $110 range. Based on my research, the stock is at a fair market value. The fourth stock on my list is Boston Pizza Royalties Income Fund, traded in the Toronto Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol BPF-UN.TO. As of December 31st, 2021, the company operated 383 restaurants in the royalty pool in Canada. As of February 3rd, 2023 close, the stock price was $16.67. The 52-week price ranged from $14.02 to $17.66. The market cap is $0.36 billion. The earnings per share for the trailing 12 months is $1.49. And the dividend yield is 7.34%. The total return for the last 5 and 10 years were way below the index and the industry for sure, based on the US data. The revenue has been trending down for the last few years, while the net income is in an uptrend overall. On the technical side, if we look at 5-year weekly chart, There is a strong support at $13 to $14 range. Based on my research, the stock is about 5.8% undervalued. The fifth and the last stock on my list is PZZA Royalty Corporation, traded in the Toronto Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol PZA.TO. They operate restaurants under PZA and Pizza 73 brands in Canada. As of December 31st, 2021, they have 727 restaurants. The company was founded in 1967. As of February 3rd, 2023 close, the stock price was $14.15. The 52-week price ranged from $11.53 to $14.33. The market cap is $0.35 billion. The earnings per share for the trailing 12 months is $0.83, and the dividend yield is 5.9%. The total return for the last 5 and 10 years were below the index. The revenue and the net income for the last few years have been in a downtrend. On the technical side, if you look at 5-year weekly chart, there is a strong support at about $12 level. Based on my research, the stock is trading at about fair market value. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.